The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman coming at you here with another video. Today, what the watch I'm going to go over is going to be the OLEVS of the homage watch for OLEVS of the Mariner. I did cover this watch in one of my earlier videos, but I was doing the video with a couple of other watches in comparison. But I just wanted to do another video where I could dedicate some time just to this particular watch because I do really like it a lot. And also want to get that the link to the actual item so you can purchase this on Amazon. Right now, I believe the price for this one is about $40 for this watch. And I think they've got a coupon. So if you click on my affiliate link below, you can actually get it for 10% off, and it's a beautiful watch that you can pick up for around $35. And so if you like these videos, give them a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, put the questions below. If there's any other watches you want me to review, also put those in the description. I'll probably just go out and buy them just to do a review on them. And give you some information on it. If you can find any information, additional information on any of the watches I show here, just leave them in the description below. Anything is helpful. And like I said, in order to keep these videos coming, just hit that like and subscribe. And on with the review. So basically, I bought this watch about a month ago from Amazon. It's an OLEVS watch. And as you can tell by my other videos, I really do like the OLEVS brand. It's a good quality budget, a good budget watch. It's really good for the price. I really like this one for a few different reasons. Aside from the fact that it's almost a direct copy of the I love the design. It's a really nice design, and I know a lot of other budget and homage watches pay tribute to the but I think this one really hits it on the mark. Just because I like the OLEVS logo, because the OLEVS logo is very logo as far as it has a crown. It doesn't have the exact same crown, but it's a similar crown. And I just think they do a really good job with the quality of their watches. All around, this watch, I've worn this watch several times over the last month, and I get a lot of compliments on this watch. It's a beautiful, beautiful watch. It's nicely made. It's got all the attributes that I have. Obviously, it's not. So I don't want to be hated in the comment section. It's not, I'm not trying to say it is, and it's not trying to pretend to be one. It clearly states the name. It's not a but it's a very, very nice watch. And if you're looking for a watch that you don't have to spend $40,000 or $50,000 on, it's a really nice watch. You wear it out. I mean, it's durable. It's very well made. It's a nice watch. As far as compliments go, yeah, you're gonna get complimented on this thing. And unless somebody knows the difference between a and this watch, chances are people at a glance aren't going to be able to tell the difference until you get up close to it. Obviously, it's not the same quality. You can't compete with that for this price range. And obviously, I'm not a jeweler. I haven't popped the back open. I can only assume that it's got a really low quality mechanism in it, but it works. It keeps good time. Guys, this is a good watch. If you're just looking for something to wear to go out once or twice a week, you want to get some compliments, some looks, this is the watch, you know? I mean, it's a great watch. I love it. It keeps good time. It follows all the style and attributes. It's a beautiful looking watch. I can't say enough good things about this watch. I can't really, I've struggled to find something bad to say about it, honestly. I really do like it. I don't even know what else to say because I can't think of anything bad to say about it. But it is a beautiful looking, sleek, stylish, and elegant watch. And I guess I'll just have to end the video there because I can't really find anything bad to say about it. So if you're looking for a good watch that's going to look nice, that's going to be durable, it's, you know, and look great when you go out on the town, I would definitely recommend this OLEVS watch. I'll post the link below, and just hit that like button and that subscribe, and hopefully maybe jump over to Amazon and pick one of these up for about 35 bucks. I don't think you'll be dissatisfied. Anyway, have a great day. Great weekend. Today's Friday. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video.